What is up, YouTube? It's K7 back with a little video. I just woke up with what time is it even? It's oh shit, it's 1:11 a.m. I got work in an hour, and I woke up with the need of clearing the air, about certain stuff. First of all, I never claimed to be a prophet or anything like that, like, let's make that one clear. I never claimed to be a prophet or anything like that, and one thing too, before you try to compare yourself to me, the when you start, the day you'll be able to close your eye, and see spirits around you, during the day and night, anytime, the days when you close your eye, and start seeing spirits around you, then you can compare yourself to me, That's one point, you know what I'm saying? And what else? I say I don't get sick, and then these guys, they start attacking my throat chakra, Now I feel like, what I'm saying? Like, I'm not sick, I'm not sick, but it is what it is, we stay prayed up, it don't matter. And another thing too is sorry, like I'm trying to make this video short because I'm recording from my phone, and I have a lot of shit on my phone, so like the memory might not be thing, Listen, I was born through a family. I was born through a male and a female, but I was never comfortable or like at peace, at home. And they know that. The people that claim to be my family, they know that. I was never like comfortable. I was never at peace between those people, I grew up in between a pretty big family, but I was never at peace. If you ask them, I was always outside. You can ask my mom, I always found peace outside than being at home. Everywhere, Not everywhere, but like, yeah, in family, you know what I'm saying? So for them motherfuckers to be claiming me now, like, bro, when was the last time you talked? The people that claim to be my family, when was the last time you talked? I'm sorry if I seem pissed off, but yes, I am pissed off, because motherfuckers be claiming to know me and shit like that, but bro, you don't know nothing. Let me tell you something, you don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just, I find it like leave me alone. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't relate to you guys. Let's make that one clear. I don't relate. There's one person, of course, except for apart of my mom. There's one person, there's my grandma, that we nickname her Meme. That's the only person that, you know what I'm saying. And I have a like I say, one uncle, two uncles, but that's about it. The rest of them blood suckers. Like, bro, I don't know you, you don't know me. Like, how would that? Leave me alone. Don't be out here trying to claim me. I'm unclaimable, if that's the word. I'm not like I'm unclaimable by humans. Come on, you guys know that I was never at peace in between you guys. Like, being in family, I was never at peace. So come on, cut it up. Don't try to be out here. You know me, you family, you my cousin. I don't know you, bitch. I don't know you. Understand me? I don't know you, nigga. I do not know you, and you don't know me either. But to conclude this shit, we have to, you guys know we have to close it with a positive word. Let's stay, let's get right, people. Let's get right with the Most High. That just, I'm not perfect. I still deal with, I still fight temptation. I still deal with battles every day. These people are attacking me. I just say that I don't get sick, and then I have to be coughing and shit like that, bro. But it is what it is. We warriors. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get right with the Most High, guys. There's so much happening in the world. There's so much, so fucking much. It's not that I'm focusing on anything happening in the world, but there's so much that let's get right, because the time is coming, you know. It's shorter than what we think, you know. The time is coming. Let's get right with the Most High, you know. So with that being said, stay blessed, you know. Stay prayed up first, you know. You gotta pray, you know, first. You stay prayed up and you stay blessed, you know. And yeah, I just felt the need to clear the air, you know, about those, you know. And nah, that's for another video, you know. So peace out.